you think, babe? How's my hair look from the back?
Oh yeah, from the back it look real good.
How does my hair look?
Oh yeah, that look good too.
Alright, you guys, I have been seeing tons of reviews going around about the Revlon. I don't really know. I forget what this is called. Hold on. Let me find the box. It's the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. And basically, it's a hair dryer and brush in one. Now, I'm really not one to like fall into the hype of like new, innovative, like, you know, quirky little things that brands and companies come out with, just because sometimes I'm like, yeah, it seems cool, but like, does it really work? And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it out and see how good it works. So I got it and I am shook. Like literally my hair is super curly and look how straight it got it in 14 minutes. Most of the time it takes me 30 minutes to blow dry my hair, but with this, like, I can't even deal. And never mind the fact that I'm sweating profusely right now, because I just got out of the shower and I'm like in this tiny bathroom and I can't even catch my breath. But my hair, you guys, like literally, I don't even need to straighten it. Like, and it has so much body, like I can't even deal. I mean, this, if you don't have this, you need to run out to your nearest Ulta, your nearest Target. You need to log on to your nearest Amazon account and add to cart, because this is a game changer. Bomb. Go get it. That's what I'm telling you. Go get it. You wanna come in the video? Oh, it's recording.
Everybody needs to know where I'm at. I'm still here, y'all.